The Vanguard VEO Active 46 backpack feels purpose-built for photographers who split their time between trails and city streets, with a rugged shell that still looks refined. Its interior is impressively adaptable, with a removable camera insert and dividers that let you swap between a full photo kit and general travel or camping gear. Access points from the rear, front, and top make it easy to reach cameras, lenses, or a drone without unpacking everything, which is a real time saver in the field. The pack comfortably carries a camera body, several lenses, a tripod, a laptop, a tablet, and hydration or water bottles, so you can realistically bring a complete setup in one bag. Thoughtful touches like the external USB pass-through, dedicated hydration sleeve with leak protection, and included rain cover show that it is designed for long days outdoors. An internal metal frame, supportive waist belt, and breathable back panel keep the loads stable and comfortable, while the trolley strap makes airport transfers much less of a hassle.